Chris Bassett here, and I've got a few tips and tricks on how to lose weight when resting. Let's get into it. So, I'm going to focus on several ways that you can boost your resting metabolism that are all backed by science. Obviously, near the top of the list, work out. Duh. Do a high intensity workout that tears down the muscle, and then that way your body has to use extra calories to rebuild your muscle. If you lift heavy things, generally safely, right? You don't actually want to tear something, but you break the muscle tissue down, and then your body will expend calories to rebuild it. Now, lifting weights isn't exactly passive. However, for the next 24 hours after you lift, your metabolism is raised. There are multiple types of vitamins and minerals that help boost your metabolism. B vitamins, vitamin D, calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc. I take a daily multivitamin that provides this, but you can also get these from natural sources, such as dairy, vegetables, nuts, and then red meat. But you're saying, hey Chris, I don't really want to lift heavy stuff. I just want to lose weight while I'm relaxing. Okay, so there's a few things that you can eat to help boost your resting metabolism. Eat a lot of high quality protein. Have you ever heard of the carnivore diet? It basically suggests eating protein is so calorie dense and difficult for your body to digest, it actually expends calories to digest the meat. I've heard some guys get what's called meat sweats, where you eat meat and then it raises your body temperature and you actually start to perspire because it's so challenging for you to digest the meat. Along those same lines, you could eat very spicy foods. Some studies show that capsaicin, an active compound in spicy foods like hot sauce or hot peppers, have been linked to fat loss. Drink more cold water, specifically ice water. Drinking ice water stimulates the brown fat in your body, which maintains a body temperature by producing heat, and thus burns more calories. So, for example, if you're drinking, say, an 8-ounce ice cold glass of water a day, it amounts to roughly 64 calories burned, and you did nothing other than drink the water. Also, if you're super hydrated and stuffing yourself full of water, you're less likely to drink other high-calorie drinks like soda, juice, beer, wine, whatever. I shoot for a gallon of ice water every day. So if you can drink ice water throughout the day, it will compound and actually help you lose weight. I know this is kind of silly, but actually if you sleep more, you'll lose more weight. You know, it's a twofold effect. Actually, because you've been resting, your body feels like it doesn't need to preserve calories as it would if you didn't have enough rest. And also, you can't eat while you're sleeping. And one of the last things you can do to raise your calorie expenditure throughout the day is to be cold. Really, like take an ice bath. You start to shiver, you burn calories. You know, you keep it cold in the house, turn down the thermostat, keep it colder. Actually, shivering burns quite a bit of calories. So while ice baths may be uncomfortable, it'll actually have a couple different benefits. You know, the ice cold water will reduce inflammation and pain that you may have throughout your body, and it will also cause your body temperature to rise, and in turn, you know, expending more calories to keep your body temperature where it needs to be. I'm going to put some links down in the description for some of the supplements that I use, and if you found any of this information useful, hit the like button. Thanks.